Here are 10 key lessons you can learn from the book Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. 1. Wealth is what you don't see. Housel emphasizes the importance of the unseen aspects of wealth, such as financial discipline, frugality, and avoiding unnecessary risks. It's not just about the money you make, but how you manage and save it. 2. No one's crazy. People have different financial behaviors and risk tolerances. Understanding that what may seem irrational to you might make perfect sense to someone else is crucial in financial discussions. 3. Luck and risk are different. While luck can play a significant role in financial success, it's essential to recognize the difference between luck and skill. Understanding risk and managing it effectively is a key aspect of success. 4. Getting wealthy vs staying wealthy. There's a difference between making money and keeping it. The book explores the importance of financial sustainability and long-term thinking. 5. You and me versus you. Comparing your financial situation to others can be misleading. The book encourages readers to focus on their personal financial goals and define success in their terms. 6. Save not too little, mostly forever. Consistent, long-term saving is emphasized over trying to time the market or searching for high-risk, high-reward opportunities. 7. Reasonable than rational. People are not always rational when it comes to money. The book suggests that being reasonable and understanding your own biases is more beneficial than trying to be perfectly rational. 8. Surprise is inevitable. Unexpected events are a part of life, and financial plans should account for the inevitability of surprises. Flexibility and adaptability are crucial. 9. Manage money like a barbell. The author discusses the concept of managing money like a barbell, combining safety on one side, conservative investments, emergency fund and speculation on the other, higher-risk investments, while avoiding the middle ground. 10. The seduction of pessimism. The book explores how negativity bias can influence financial decision-making. It encourages readers to maintain a balanced perspective and not let short-term pessimism drive long-term financial. Remember that these points are a brief overview, and the book delves much deeper into these concepts, providing anecdotes, research, and practical advice to illustrate these principles. Reading the book will provide a more comprehensive understanding of these lessons in the context of personal finance.